Last time we created a band board. This time we'll deal with special multiple choice features. We will learn how to store possible choices for feature in another data source. This is useful for very long lists. Also, it's useful for dynamically changing lists. As you can see, we have a musical style feature. It shows us 4 options: rock, pop, jazz, classic. We start with creating a new data source and name it musical styles. This data source will hold our musical styles. Set data source name and permissions, and save it. Add new feature style name. Set an input type, short text, and type string, and save changes. Create new display. Set type, adding new, and display name, add musical style. Generate display code. Set is menu on. This will create a special admin menu, and we will be able to add new data at admin panel. Save changes and refresh the display. You can see that new menu, Portalic Data menu, was created. You have a new link, Add Musical Style, in it. Now we will add 4 styles to this data source. Now we can change the musical style feature. Select Band Data Source at Data Source Details section and filter. Now press Edit button near the musical style feature. Go to the Values Source section. At Values Type, choose Other Data Source section. Select Musical Style at Data Source section. Value Feature is the value that will be stored at database. Show Feature. This is the displayed value on the Select option list. You can delete values in Values List text area. There is no need in that anymore. Refresh Bandboard. Post Preview. As you can see, there is a list of musical styles, just as we entered at Musical Styles data source. Now we will learn how to declare connected features. For example, if you wish to display different cities for each country. Now let's create a list of countries and cities and define their connection. Create a new data source, cities. Add new features, country, city, both of short text type. Create new adding display for cities. Generate display design. Check Show as menu option. Save changes and refresh the screen. Go to the new menu. Let's add some countries and cities to it. For example, USA, New York, Canada, Vancouver, France, Paris, Italy, Rome. Now we can connect country and the city features at the band data source to the city's data source. Choose Band Data Source and press Filter. Go to the City feature and press Edit. Go to the Value Source and select Value Type, Other Data Source. Select Value Data Source, Cities. Select Country Name as Value and as Show Features. Save changes. Go to the City feature and press Edit. Go to the Value Source and select Value Type, Other Data Source. Select Value Data Source, Cities. Select City Name as Value and as Show Features. Go to the Connected Feature settings. Check option is Connected. Select Connected to Feature Country. This is a parent feature in the same data source. Select Parent Data Source, Cities. Both features use select options from the same data source. Select Parent Feature Name, Country, as we declared in Country feature. Parent Feature Connector is Country Name, and this feature connector is Country Name. Both features use the same data source, so connector is the same feature. Go to the band board, Post Preview, and refresh Preview. As you can see, List of Cities changes according to Country Selected option. We will provide more information about Connected Feature Setting and other plugin functionality at our documentation section and future user guides. Thank you for watching our user guides. Please contact our support team if you have any questions.